Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Monday. Yes, it's Monday, May the 27th, 2024. Not so good news today because we have only three regular puzzles. And those puzzles are the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku and the binary. There are no extra puzzles in this newspaper. Only three. And the news of today, well, today it's 233 days ago another war started. Not in Ukraine, but in SOL. Still continuing, and yeah, the people in Gaza, I believe there are 30 people killed in Rafah by the Israelis. Yeah, they have bombed a camp, and 30 people or more are killed. Enough about the war. This one should be number 8606. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 29 printed digits should be at 0 stars. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 29, 4 digits more. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Well, I don't think it's a 3 stars. Should be at 0 stars. I need to be faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. Alright. So let's get started. Yeah. Alright. Let me see. Which number can I pick? 5. Well, 4 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have 1 and a 5 in this column. 1 and a 5 in this big square. So no 1 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in this middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. Let me see. 378. Okay. How about the number 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so the first row. Only place level 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the third row. No 3 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. 8 in this column. 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6. And the 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. We have a 3 in this column. Middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 7 goes there. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 in these 2 boxes. We have a 4 in this column. Second column. No 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. 4 in this row. 4 in the second row. So the third row. Only place left for the 4 is should be there. 1 box left in this third row for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 1 and 8. 1 and 8. Okay. How about a 6 in the last column? 6 in that column, so the column between. The only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Two numbers left now in the second row for numbers. The 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7. 2 and the 7. Let me mark those two boxes all right. 5, 5. Okay. How about 8 and 8? How about the 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above. Only two places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next on the last column. Only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so the row between the middle row. The only place left for the 4 should be here, so the other two numbers should be the 2 and the 7. 2 and the 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 2 goes there, 7. Alright, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Then, let me see. Need a 5 here. 5 there. We have a 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column, so the third column. Only 3 places left for 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 in the row above, no 6 there. The only place left for 6 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so in that row. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for 9 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. Oh wait, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 now in this column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 in this column. 2 in the column next. So the last column. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in the last column. For the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8. 9 is missing. 3 and 9. 3 and 9. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes all right. Then. Let me see. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the first column. No 3 there, 3 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and 8, we have a 1 now in the first column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and 8 goes there. Wait. Then 8 and 5. 8 and 5. Alright. Now. Need a 1 here. 1 and 1, 9. And come on. 1 and 9 and a 2. 1 and a 2. 1 and a 9. Need a 2, okay. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the second column, so the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. Here we have also a 9. Alright, how about these 2 missing numbers in this first column for numbers 1? 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 was the 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 8 goes there. Alright. Then, 1 box left in this column, set column for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 was the 1 and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be in, and 1 goes there. 1 box left now in the middle row for number 1. 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 3 goes there. 3 and a 9, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish 11 minutes. Well, told you, should be a 0 stars. Need to be faster than 14, 30 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.